Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Always have complete faith in Sai. When your faith is strong, all things becomes possible. Sai says, I have accepted your prayers and your sincere devotion. From now onwards, happy time starts. My child, you and your family members are going to live a life of happiness. Keep chanting Sai Sai. In today's video, we'll be going through the story of Appa Sahib Kulkarni. In 1917, Appa Sahib Kulkarni was transferred to Thane and began to worship Baba's picture presented to him by Bala Sahib Bed in real earnest. He did the worship, he offered flowers, sandal paste and Naivedya daily to Baba in the picture and longed intently to see him. Once, he had to go on a tour to Bhiwande and was expected to return after a week. In his absence, the following wonderful thing took place. On the third day, at noon, a Faqir turned up at Appa Sahib's house. His features resembled exactly those of Baba in the picture. Mrs. Kulkarni and her child asked whether he was Sai Baba of Shirdi. He said no, but he was the obedient servant of his and came there on his order to enquire the well-being of the family. Then he asked for Dakshina. The lady gave him a rupee. He gave her a small packet of udi and asked her to keep this in the shrine and went away. Now hear the wonderful Leela of Sai. Appa Sahib could not proceed with his tour as his horse fell sick at Bhiwande. He returned home that afternoon and learned from his wife about Faqir's visit. He got very restless as he did not have the darshan of the Faqir. Moreover, he did not like that only 1 rupee was paid to him as dakshina. He said that had he been present, he would have paid not less than 10 rupees. Then he immediately started in the quest of the Faqir and searched for him everywhere. His search was in vain because God's quest should not be made on an empty belly. Then after taking his meal, he went out for a walk with his friend Mr. Chitre. After going some distance, they saw a man approaching them rapidly. Appa Sahib thought that he must be the Faqir that came to his house at noon, as his features tallied with those of Baba in the picture. The Faqir immediately put forth his hand and asked for Dakshina. Appa Sahib gave him a rupee. He demanded again and again, and so Appa Sahib gave him 2 more rupees and he was not satisfied. Then he borrowed rupees 3 from Mr. Chitre and gave it to him. He wanted still more. Appa Sahib asked him to accompany him to his home. Then they all returned home and Appa Sahib gave him 3 more rupees, in all rupees 9. He looked unsatisfied and demanded again. Then Appa Sahib told him that he had a currency note of rupees 10. The Faqir asked for the same, took it and returned the 9 rupees and went away. Appa Sahib had earlier said that he would pay rupees 10 and that sum was taken from him and the 9 rupees concentrated by Baba's touch were returned to him. The figure 9 is significant. It denotes the 9 type of devotion. It may also be noted here that Baba gave 9 coins to one Lakshmibai Shinde at his last moment. Though Appa Sahib was very efficient, he got rupees 40 as pay in the beginning. But after he secured Baba's photo and his udi, he got many more times and also got much power and influence. And along with these temporal benefits, his spiritual progress was also rapid. So, those who were fortunate enough to get Baba's udi should after bath apply it on the forehead and take some of it mixed with water as holy tirth. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, do like and share. Thank you.